It's time to make my friend's hair. Okpe is here again, and this time we're doing twist.
Hi guys, I'm Okpeyemi of the Yemi brand, and
She.
Didi, she's my friend. She cannot do without me.
Eh?
Clock it. Come, let's make my hair together. She's the hairstylist. She did not have choice. She have to make my hair.
Bully. Anyways, guys, I actually have choice, but I just want to help her life. These are the things I'll be needing to make this hair: leave-in conditioner, my spray bottle with just water in it, a detangling comb, and a cotton comb. As an African, we call it cotton comb here in Nigeria. So, cotton comb. Anyways, I was looking for my tail comb, but in there I can't even find the tail comb. That's the one that has this iron tip. I don't even know where it is. I've been looking for it in this house. I couldn't even find it. Anyways, I've divided the entire hair, and we're not going for a very tiny size. We're just going for something medium size, but nothing too small. But what I decided to do was to make this back part a bit bigger than the remaining part of the hair. So that means to say, this back part would be a bit bold. Then from the middle part of the hair, that's from the other side that I've not parted yet, I would then increase it. Since it's at the back, it will always be covered. So yes, this is a pattern I use for my hair most of the time, because the whole beauty of the hair is usually in front, and since it's going to give a bounce, the back is not going to show, but definitely just a very normal good size. That was what I was doing at the back. I am Didi. If you're seeing me for the first time, please have a seat and watch this video. Do not forget to subscribe before you leave, and let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know if you're going to try this hairstyle out. So we're going to talk about this particular hairstyle that I'm making on this woman's head today. I made for myself a while back. I'm going to tag the video up there, right, so that you can check that out. But now the difference is that mine is like really jumbo. I think I had just about 26 to 28 thereabout on my entire head, and it was like really jumbo. And yeah, so it wasn't, I've not done this size for someone at all. And in fact, the next video I'll upload will probably be that of my sisters, because after I made hers, I did my sisters, I think the next day or the third day after this, and hers was even is even tinier than this woman's head. You get, like, the size of the twist is tinier. Now this is what we call loose twist. If you've not done loose twist before, you should actually try it out. Loose twists are very nice, and the good part about loose twist is that it helps you carry out your routine properly, helps you wash your hair properly. So if you're the type that loves reapplying your product while you're on a protective style, this is a very great option for you. And that is because of the pattern of the twist. The twist is not a tight twist. The twist is a loose twist. So it's still almost like you're applying product just to your hair, the way it is when it's usually not in a protective style. So the product easily gets into the strands of hair because it's not locked up tightly as the way normal protective styles are. This is still opened compared to the other kind of protective styles. So loose twist is actually a good option. Also, when you're washing your hair, if you're the type that also wash your hair when you're on a protective style, this is a good option for you, because the shampoos can easily get into your strands and cleanse it if there are oils in it, and your deep conditioner can easily penetrate into the hair without you having to like be rinsing off so much and whatnot. Now I can easily relate to that because I currently am still on my jumbo twist, and honestly it has made life for me super easy when it comes to washing my protective style. It's easier to wash your jumbo twist than washing the normal twist or normal braids protective style. Another good thing with jumbo twist is the bounce it gives. As long as the person making your hair knows how to make it very well, it's going to give this bounce. Whether you have extremely long hair or not, I believe anyone can actually flex this hairstyle and it will look really good, as long as it is properly done and it is properly sealed. Like, just take a look at how beautiful this is. it feels, when you saw her hair before, it will look like, can this really come out well on this person's hair? And trust me, it comes out so good on any kind of person's hair, especially if you have like, you have 3 category hair, or 3 type hair, or 4 type hair. This comes out perfectly. I even prefer it more on the 4 type hair. Like, it just gives this, because the curls are tighter, it just gives this bounce, this easy bounce. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm sure you understand. So it's actually very, very, very beautiful, and it is very super easy to make. The normal time you take to make the normal twist, if normally you use, let's say, about 6 hours to make your twist, the normal twist, for jumbo twist, this I say jumbo twist, loose twist rather, for loose twist, you literally use about maybe 3 hours to make it. I'm honestly serious, because it is loose twist, just like the name implies. So you're not doing too much to the body. You're twisting, but it's like really loose. As you can see what I'm doing, it feels like I'm skipping so many gaps that are not like literally visible, but I'm still twisting the hair, and I'm just going to let it be, and it's still just going to give that bounce. So it's actually a good one, actually, if you ask me. If you've gotten to this part of this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Please like this video. Let me know in the comment where you're watching from. And let me know the kind of hairstyle you'd like me to try next for maybe this, my friend here that has not stopped talking since, or to try on my hair. Someone suggested loose braids also when they watched my own video on the loose twist. Just let me know what you think in the comment, okay? One myth about loose twists is people always believe you need gels for the hair, but by now, if you actually follow my videos, you'll notice that I hardly I don't even make use of gels on my hair when plaiting my hair. I only use it for my edges to like set it in place. When it's time for me to style my hair out, you would not even see it in the video safe, because I hardly even make use of gel. So I did not make use of any gel whatsoever for this hairstyle. I only made use of a leave-in conditioner to moisturize the hair, water first to hydrate, a leave-in conditioner to moisturize the hair, and this 2-sided comb. The comb is 2-sided, which is the white tooth part and the tail, like the smaller tooth part. So I make use of I first of all make use of my finger to detangle. I make use of the white tooth part to detangle. Then I make use of the smaller tooth part to properly detangle, because this hair has to be free from knots. Because when she wants to take it down, one has to be very careful, and if it's not properly detangled before plaiting the hair, there might be issues with the hair getting tangled up when she wants to take down the hair. So I had to properly detangle the hair before actually twisting the hair. So you don't need gel whatsoever for this hairstyle. You just need your detangling comb. You need a good leave-in conditioner. As you can see, our hair is properly hydrated and moisturized, because our leave-in conditioner is superb, and just a good sealant. I made use of butter also from the Hair Circle, which is my brand. So that's all you need, basically. Nothing serious, nothing. It's not that deep. Don't allow anybody to deceive you out there. I'll tell you the truth. You don't need it.
Hi guys, Didi said my hair is so full. And where is the lie?
Really, where is the lie? She has a full hair. And now let me bust you guys bubble. She was actually on dreads. I met her in 2024, and she has been on dreads. She was on dread like even before we met, and she had been on dread up until, I think, was it last year? I think late last year she had to lose the dread, and now we're trying to like keep up with her natural hair. Just this few months, this madam has lost her dread. She has had plenty issues with this hair. Lice got into her hair the other time, but she was able to get it sorted out. There's a time she was experiencing breakage, but that one is normal when you just like losing the dread. So she had so many setbacks, but now she decided that okay, now she wants to take her natural hair journey serious. And I'm like, finally, you, good for you. Hey, after many but anyway, she has a very healthy hair naturally, and with just a little consistency and the right product, honestly, this is going to thrive. Okay, so if you know you're in position of you're the same shoes as Okpe, please take your hair journey serious. So, because especially if you have this kind of beautiful natural hair, you would not need to do too much. Honestly, keeping the hair is going to be like super easy with the right product, with the right routine. And she's lucky to have me. I'm here to help her life. But anyway, that's that for that. We've come to the end of the hairstyle, And this is one thing I always do at the end of the jumbo twist. I just like to flock the hair around the tip, and that is because when it comes to jumbo twist, it's very important that you preserve the tip of your hair. Either ways, there's no so much difference, but it's just very good to preserve the tip of your hair, because jumbo twist is always best worn the way it is without having to pack or restyle or whatever. And if the tip is exposed, that's too much trouble for your hair. Okay, so wrap the tip is also going to give a better bounce and make it look better. Can you see how full and beautiful this hair is? I love how it turned out. And yes, we've come to the end of our hairstyle and our hair today, and I hope you like the hair. Let me know what you think about the hair in the comments. If you got to this part of this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to shop our book. The link is in the description. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle, and leave a comment if you have anything to say to Okpe. She'll be watching and she will read from the comments. With that being said, bye guys.